Assalamu Alaikum my lovely friends and family. Hope you are all in the best state of health with sound Iman. Welcome to IWHAT Kitchen. In today's video, bidin Allaah Ta'ala, I'm going to show you how we make this amazing dinner. So let's begin. Bismillah. It has been a while since I cooked for the kids. Since Ramadan finished, I don't think I've made anything from scratch for them. So today I'm making sweet chili chicken thigh for them. I'm using Thai sweet sauce. What I've had so far is 1 pack of this chicken mangi. I had thyme, minced herb, mint, curry, and a little bit of oil. And I'm using 4 kg of chicken thigh, skinless. So because I want it minting, I had like 2 tablespoons of mint to this. It's a new recipe. I will mix well. Another ingredient that I had is this cream juice sauce. Where is it? Cream juice seasoning. I had 1 tablespoon of this. I've mixed well, so I'm going to cover it with cling film. So I'm going to set this aside overnight. And eventually divide the chicken into 2 trays. Got 1 kg of chicken. What chicken what is it?
Chicken drums.
Chicken drums, thank you. And I'm using barbecue. I've already seasoned it with mangi and sweet sauce. Okay, add that one to it. Just little. Add a little bit more. And that's it. Then you mix it. How is it going to make it nice?
Because it will be crispy, but it won't be actual like fried chicken crispy.
Okay. We add a little bit of flour to it.
See?
Okay. Are you finished mixing it?
Nah.
Does it need a little bit more flour?
Uh-huh.
Add some onion.
What's called?
I'm adding 3 medium size onion. Not medium, small size onion to this. Because I'm making ginger fried rice, so I'm going to be using a lot of ginger. Fry the ginger for like 2 minutes before adding the rice. I've had what's it called? Salt, mangi, aroma, this minced herb, curry, and turmeric. Now mix well. I'm adding 1.5 liters of water.
I cooked for them.
You cooked for them. Okay.
Did I?
The food is ready after 5 minutes.
Who the hell? Just take photo.
Plantain, assorted meat, fried rice, ginger fried rice, chicken, pumpkin pie, mixed vegetable, roast potato. Alhamdulillah, dinner is successful, and this is the leftover potato salad, salad, fried rice, and atadidi, no meat. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. With this, leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe. With lot of love, IWHAT, and don't forget to keep smiling.